guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a super exciting video because we got special mail. Wetnwild blessed us with this beautiful rainbow box. It doesn't even fit on the screen. That's how amazing it is. So if you've been eyeing the Care Bear collection and you don't know what to get, right here, right now, let's break it down together. Before we get started, I wanted to take some time to dive into a little bit of the background of these loved classic characters. Care Bears are multicolored bears originally painted in 1981 by artist Elena Kurchark to be used on greeting cards for American greetings. In 1983, the characters were turned into the plush teddy bears that we love and know today. The characters have headlined in their own television series and movies from 1985 to 1988 and have recently evolved their franchise to the 2019 TV series Care Bears Unlock the Magic that you've seen on Cartoon Network. There were 10 original Care Bears that were unique colors and had different logos on the stomach area to represent very unique and different personalities. So let's go ahead and dive into the collection. We'll be breaking down this video into 4 easy categories: eyes, lips, face, and accessories. For this category, we have 1 eyeshadow palette, 1 mascara and curler duo, and 2 pairs of lashes. So first up, we have the palette. Like usual, Wetnwild has themes down to a T, and this is not disappointing at all. It is beautiful, very on theme with the Care Bear collection. This palette is called Caring Counts, and it is infused with positive vibes. So I love that. It is very straightforward. We have a nice size sticker going on, so we're not wondering about the colors or the names. And when we open the palette, they have beautiful imprints on each pan. We have a variety of different finishes. So today's look, I kept it neutral with a pop of color, and this is what this palette is. It offers you buttery mattes. We have some beautiful glitters, like you can see on my eyes. We have some beautiful satins, and we have some shimmers. So whatever you are looking for, whether you are into a neutral palette with a pop of color, or you want that rainbow punch in your looks, this has got you covered. Next up, we have this mascara curler duo right here. This is the cutest thing ever. If you are a collector or you need it, okay? This duo is called Friendship Goals, and everything down to the detail, the printing of the mascara is absolutely beautiful. I actually tried this mascara today without the falsies just to kind of see what it was gonna do for me, and I was quite impressed. It is not waterproof, so it's gonna give you that beautiful fluffy lash. The curler has the cutest little chain attached to it, so definitely love this. So last but not least, we gotta have lashes, and these are everything. I wanted to try out the more dramatic ones just to kind of see how dramatic is dramatic in this collection, and I gotta say, I love them. Look at this, beautiful, fluttery. The pair that I'm actually wearing today is called Wish Big Cute, and then we have a medium light version, and we have My Lucky Day. So I feel like any of these lashes are going to look beautiful on any kind of eye shape. I love them. Check them out. For the lips category, we have 4 lip glosses, 1 lip scrub, and 1 lip mask. First up, we have glosses. I really enjoyed that they gave me 2 separate finishes. We have 2 lighter glitter, kind of see-through glosses, and then we have 2 more opaque glosses. The names for these products are so cute. So let's go ahead and look at the names. So we have Spread the Love, Free Hugs, Share a Smile, and Sing Out Loud. So I did a combo of Spread the Love, which is a pinkier one, and then I wanted a little bit of like a berry. So I went in with Free Hugs, this, and a little bit of lip liner. Look at this. Look at this. Juicy lips, and I don't even have lips to work with. So I really enjoy these glosses. They're not sticky, they're lightweight, and the glitter is not gritty at all. It is super light. So if you are a gloss lover, definitely pick these up. Next up, we have these cuties, the cuteness overload in this collection. Stop it right now. These are super convenient. At first I was like, how do I get it? So in the stomach, you twist it and Exactly. Exactly. Convenient, on the go, non-messy, and it's there. It's tight. It's not going anywhere. So I really appreciate the presentation. It's super cute and convenient. So I noticed with the lip scrub that when you use lip scrubs that are sticks, usually they kind of just get everywhere. This one was nicely made. It's not overly stiff, but it doesn't just fall apart. So I did enjoy that. The lip mask, again, just comfortable, hydrating, easy to go. How cute are these? You need these in your life, period. Next up, we have the face category. For this collection, a good amount was focused around the core products for the face, so we have plenty to choose from. So first up, we have primer. And if you see this flawless finish today, this is what made it happen. I am already a big fan of their serum primers, but this one brings a special mix to the collection. So this one is infused with sunflower oil, vitamin C, and niacinamide. So it's just gonna nourish, it's gonna brighten, and it's gonna give you a flawless finish. So let's talk refresher sprays. Very different than setting sprays. This one is a pick-me-up. This is not necessarily when you're wearing makeup. Maybe you have a makeup-free day and you just want to kind of moisturize and give that glow to the face. This one is enriched with blueberry fruit extract to brighten, smooth, and soothe the skin for a dewy, healthy glow. I really enjoy this makeup-free or on top of makeup after a very long day that you want to, you know, refresh, revive. I feel like this one would be a really nice addition. All right, so this one is a setting spray. So this one is called Get Through the Night. I really wanted some glitter shimmer in here, but it's not. It's not shimmery. It's just a regular setting spray. It has really, really nice ingredients. So this one is lavender scented, and it is enriched with niacinamide to help the skin look and feel more resilient when minimizing the appearance of pores and giving you a flawless makeup application like we have today. So I wouldn't say that this is super lavender overpowering. It's just kind of, you know, light for all my fragrance free people. This, I sprayed it. I don't feel overwhelmed by it. This is really nice. It's light. The nozzle or the sprayer is really, really nice. So you're not going to get attacked when you're spraying your face. So this one is definitely a must. Next up, let's talk about the highlighter, because I feel like everybody just wants the highlighter in every collection. And I don't blame you, because Wetnwild knows what they're doing when it comes to highlighters. This one is not the exception. I really, really enjoy it. I'm actually wearing it today. So this one is called Let Your Light Shine, and it illuminates your whole world. So this one, I will say that if you are fairer or lighter than me, this might not be it for you. So since I did a darker contour bronzer situation, I feel like I could get away with this color. It's not as champagne-y as I imagine. It's more of a gold finish. So in the pan, it looks very light. Once you swatch it, this is a glittery highlighter. If you do not like glittery highlighters, please stay away. If you want glitter and everything to sparkle your world, then you're gonna love this one. But I'm wearing it today and I'm super impressed. I love it. I am a blush girl, and this, I love it. I need it. I want it. This is the perfect, like, flushed, innocent, natural to me. This is what it's screaming, like adorable. The color selection is really, really nice, super pigmented. So if you want to go in with the light hand, you can definitely do that. If you want to overload like me, it still looks great. So this one is called Do What You Love, and I am loving this shade. Next up, we have the bronzer, and I'm gonna say this is called Live, Laugh, and Hug. It should be Live, Laugh, and Bronze, because girl, this is strong bronzer. So I started with a light hand, and then I was like, uh-oh. So if you, again, are lighter than I am, this is probably gonna be too intense. For me, I was able to go ahead and, you know, save it. But I will say this is strong, this is intense, this is pigmented. So a little bit goes a long way. I definitely feel like this was more geared towards medium to darker skin tones, but I feel like we did it today. So if you have been looking at this and you are a bronzer type of gal, I feel like you're gonna love this product. What would a Wet n Wild collection be without face and body glitter? I don't know, but they do it and they do it amazing. So we have two shades. We have the whiter one. This one's called Free to Shine. Absolutely beautiful. You need it in your life. And then we have a pink purpley one, and this one is called Stand Out and Shine. I love the detail of the sparkle cuts or the glitter cuts in this. So this one has hearts, and this one just has like beautiful iridescent finishes. So if you're going somewhere, festival season, no festival season, you want to just slap it on your face, you need it, thank me later. Last but not least, to close out this category is the wild card surprise of the collection. I did not expect for them to do a cleansing balm, but they did, and they did it with a flair. So this one is called Resting Bare Face. This consistency is like a gel that melts, that's thick, that allows you to just kind of like live the cleanser balm experience. You know when you're taking off your makeup and you see these videos that are just like, you know, this is that. I would say make sure that when you grab it, make sure to kind of work it in all the areas of the face before going in with water, okay? Make sure everything's dissolved and then just enjoy it. This is like an enjoy taking off your makeup type of product, and it is super cute. And look at the size. Okay, this is a really nice size. It actually is 85 mLs or 2.8 fluid ounces. And trust me, like this is a little bit goes a long way. So definitely try this. For the accessories categories, we have face brushes, makeup sponges, face gems, nail sets, and a makeup bag. Starting off this category strong is the care package. This is the cutest collection of sponges I've ever seen. You need it in your life, period. Okay, so we have different designs. So we have the teardrop, we have a rounder one, so you can definitely flip them over and use them for different things. They each have a separate imprint to represent the individual bear. So I feel like these are super nice. On a scale of how soft or hard they are, their original sponge would be here, the little twin stars would be right here, and they are right in the middle. So I definitely make sure to wet them and use them dry. So right now I went in with a dry sponge just to kind of see where they're at. With use and of course wetting them, they soften up, but I feel like these are too cute to pass up. Speaking of cuteness, have you seen a color changing sponge? I had not. And I didn't realize that that's what this was until we started doing the B-rolls and I started touching it and I realized something's happening to the sponge and I haven't wet it. Yes, I know. So this one is called Always Care a Lot, and this is a really nice size sponge. Like just imagine wetting this. It's just gonna be like the size of your hand. So this is gonna make your whole face application like in 5 seconds and you're out the door. But I'm gonna stay with the color changing fact, and I'm gonna say I would definitely check this out just to see that happen. Next up we have the dual ended brush set, and it wouldn't be a special collection if we don't get these super cute brushes. I like to collect these just because they're beautiful. I don't know about you. Functionality, I do enjoy it. So they gave you a duo for the eyes. So we have a fluffy and a flat fluffy brush. And then we have the face duo. So we have more of like a powder or blush in my case. And then we have a smaller, denser brush. I would just buy these because they're beautiful, but sharing is caring is the whole theme of this collection here. So I feel like definitely you could use these, save your makeup area, maybe lessen your brush collection, or buy them because they're cute. I don't know, but these are a must-have. So we have these face gems, and they only launched one for this collection. It is too cute. Festival season or no festival season, we all need rhinestones in our life. So this one is called Cheer You Up, and it's definitely doing that for me. Tons of different uses. You can use them as is or cut them up individually and get creative. Next up we have press-on nails. This was definitely a surprise for me. Last time they did not include an item like this, but I feel like everybody's doing press-on nails, so there you go. We have two shades. We have a pink one, and this is called Good Vibes Only. And then we have a purple one that says Think Happy Thoughts. These are too cute. If you are into press-on nails, I feel like you're definitely gonna enjoy these. To close out this collection, we have the star item, the collector piece, that this is why we're here. Oh, this is it. this is the bag. You need it in your life, let me just tell you. So, besides its cuteness, let's talk about its functionality. It is a really nice size bag. If you liked the Little Twin Stars collection bag, this one is way bigger, okay? It is almost the size of my face. Just look at that comparison. So, I feel like this is super nice, resistant, thick, like a vinyl plastic type of deal. So, we have the clear see-through top or front of the bag. Then we have the amazing design in the back, okay? So we have all the original Care Bears. We have them imprinted there. We also have a super cute heart resistant, nice quality zipper, so you don't have to worry that you're gonna open it and it's gonna just fall apart. And we have a nice size bag, guys. So if you are a collector, you're here for the bag and you want to know how much can you put in it, I'm gonna say a good amount of the collection. This is a really nice size. If you are here for the bag only, I say yes, get it, you need it, thank me later. All right, guys, so we have reached the final thoughts and we're here to answer the question that every shopper has. Is this worth it? And I'm here to tell you, yes, yes it is. So this collection has something for everyone. It is fun, vibrant, wearable. So whether you're doing a simple glam for every day or you want that bold pop of color, this collection has something fun and unique for everyone. So whether you wanted to display and shine bright in your display for everyone to appreciate, or you're just a collector and you want to enjoy all of this awesome cuteness, this collection is definitely a must try. Every collection has its amazingness, its vibe, but I have my favorites. So definitely the eyeshadows every time. We have the brushes. Yes, thank you. The sponges, they're unique, they're fun, they're color changing. I love me a good blush. You guys already know that. And the glosses, surprisingly, the glosses got me. I really don't wear gloss, but this is so juicy, is so natural, and so amazing that these are definitely a must-have. If you do pick up something from this collection and something caught your eye, let me know what you want to try, what you're enjoying in the comments below. So that wraps up the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any future uploads. Also, make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms at MUA Carla Trevino, where I share with you makeup tips and tricks, fashion, and lifestyle because we all want to look good on a budget. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.